Hey friends, it's Nelly to show you what I got today. Super excited. This is my solid subscription. Look at how stuffed this is. This is 3 yards of something. I don't know. The solid subscription from the Fab Click is something I get every month. I've been getting it for almost 2 years now. And I love solids. Solids are my jam. So this is definitely something I am super excited. It really makes my wardrobe. I'm so thrilled about it. And I'm super excited to be able to open this with you today. So I wanted to show you, to start off, look at this cute little sticker. Isn't that adorable? It says sewing forever, housework whenever. And it was drawn by Dee. How exciting is that? Okay, so I haven't opened this yet. I'm super excited. Take off this sticker. Oh good, it came off really good. I'm gonna do something with that later. All right, so here we go. If you're not familiar with the solid subscription, it's a surprise. Every single week, every single month. The fabric base is different. The colors are all different, but they're solid. This is pretty. It's $25 and it renews. It's a subscription, so it renews every month. So on the first of every month. And then you get a new package of fabric. Okay, I have no idea what this fabric is. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, it's following my face. These colors are fabulous. What am I gonna do with them? Okay, so it looks like this month there are 2 solids. Sometimes there's only 1, and then you get 3 yards of a single fabric. Sometimes there are 2, and you get 1.5 yards of each fabric, or I've even seen it where you get 2 yards of one and 1 yard of another. And then every once in a while, you'll get a single yard of 3 different solids. This time it looks like 2 yards, or 1.5 yards of 2 different colors. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. This is textured. Let me find an edge here. Okay, so you have this beautiful textured look. We got some beautiful stretch. Oh, look at that. It looks kind of like, I don't know, kind of like smocking. Oh, this is just stunning. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. Look at how pretty. That color is just beautiful. Kind of a taupe color, I think. That is so pretty. I'll show you the back. So the back just looks like it has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 octagon shapes, hexagons. I can't really tell because they're also round. But look at that, you've just got the shape, and then it's raised on the front. Oh, look, you can see right there how it's raised. Oh, that is so pretty. Kind of a taupe color. This is going to be nice for dressier tops. Oh, this is fabulous. Let's the back side. Look at that. Okay, and then there's this kind of apricot-y color. This is so pretty. My mind is going. I wonder how this would look as a dress. I don't know. We're gonna play with it and see. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Definitely worth the $25 a month. That does include shipping, so it's a fabulous deal. 3 yards of fabric, shipping of that fabric. You saw how stuffed that bag was. Oh my goodness, definitely worth it to get these beautiful fabrics. Now, if you find you're not thrilled with one of them, hold on to it, put it in your stash. It ends up making great like cuffs and things for color blocking. I love color blocking, especially for my children, but I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. It's gorgeous. I'm going to have to think on it. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me in opening the Solid subscription for January, the first Solid subscription of 2021. How exciting! Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure it out. All right, thank you for joining me. Bye.